Ever heard of Stash? If you're into investing or saving for the future, chances are you have. But have you ever wondered if Stash is actually a digital wallet? Today, we're diving deep into that question. We'll explore what Stash is, how it works, and whether or not it fits the definition of a digital wallet. So, let's get started. What is Stash? Brief overview. Stash is a popular investing app that makes it easy for people to start investing, even with small amounts of money. It offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Key features. Automated investing. Stash's Auto Invest feature allows users to set up recurring investments, making it a convenient way to save for the future. Fractional shares. One of Stash's unique features is its ability to purchase fractional shares of stocks and ETFs, making investing more accessible to those with limited funds. Educational resources. Stash provides various educational resources, including articles, videos, and quizzes, to help users learn about investing. Is Stash a digital wallet? Defining a digital wallet. Before we answer this question, let's define what a digital wallet is. A digital wallet is a software program that allows users to store, send, and receive digital assets, such as cryptocurrency or digital currencies. Comparing Stash to a digital wallet. Digital assets. While Stash does allow users to purchase and hold digital assets, stocks and ETFs, these assets are not the same as digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Sending and receiving. Stash is not designed to send or receive digital assets to other users. Its primary function is to facilitate investing. Security. While Stash employs security measures to protect user funds, its security features are not as robust as those found in dedicated digital wallets. Conclusion. Stash is not a digital wallet. Based on our analysis, it's clear that Stash does not meet the criteria for a digital wallet. While it does allow users to invest in digital assets, its primary function is not to store, send, or receive these assets. The benefits of Stash. Despite not being a digital wallet, Stash offers many benefits to investors, including ease of use, affordability, and educational resources. Choosing the right platform. If you're looking for a platform to store and send digital currencies, a dedicated digital wallet is the best option. However, if you're interested in investing in stocks and ETFs, Stash is a great choice. Call to action. Subscribe for more content. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more financial content. Share with friends. Share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in learning more about investing and digital wallets. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Until next time.